Hi everyone, Paolo here, so welcome to my channel. So on this video we're going to do something different. I'm going to do an unboxing video of the iPad Pro, the Apple Pencil, and the Magic Keyboard. So what I have here is the 11-inch iPad Pro. It's the version with cellular and it's the second edition. So inside the box we have the iPad Pro. We have the standard manuals. We have a USB-C power adapter, 18 watts. And we have a USB-C charge cable 1 meter. So peeling out this plastic is so rewarding. Let's strip that out. As you can see with the liquid retina display, it's very glossy. The back we have the camera, and you could see a little bit of oil smudge from my fingers there, so it's very attractive to smudges. Setting up is very easy, especially if you use the quick start. So if you have an iPhone, just position it near the iPad and it would sync up your data. So just scan that cool graphic on your iPhone and you should be good. So there are a bunch of setups, like for example the Apple Pay, the Siri. You could all do those later. Then you'll have some instructions for some of the gestures. You could go about them later, like swipe up, swipe from the top right and all, but that quick and you're all ready to go. So the Apple Pencil, I got the second edition, and this works with the first generation and second generation iPad Pro and the third and fourth generation iPad Pro 12-inch. So inside the box we just have the standard manual and the Apple Pencil. So you have this little plastic thing that holds it, and just basically strip that out. The Apple Pencil is very light and it's very sturdy. So next we have the Magic Keyboard. So this is a full-size backlit keys with scissor mechanisms. This one has the trackpad. The other version is the keyboard folio, doesn't have one. The feel of this Magic Keyboard is very sturdy. There's no wires. You just basically snap the iPad to it and you're good to go. There's no pairing needed. You just have the standard manual, and then at the side you have the USB-C. So this is it, and you just mount the iPad to it, and along with the pencil just snaps at the top of the iPad magnetically, and you could use it as a second monitor using Sidecar. And this is how it looks like with the backlit keys. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.